So it's been a while since I've reviewed the Outlier Gold, and that video was posted in July of 2020, and although that was quite a while back, the Outlier Gold is still one of the top of the line Outlier earbuds you can buy from Creative. Today we're taking a look at a successor to the original Outlier Air and to see what updates you have from these earbuds and if it's worth the upgrade. Welcome to a review of the Creative Outlier Air version 2. Hello, my name is Sean and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I do a lot of tech reviews as well as unboxing, and if that is something that interests you, do consider subscribing to this channel, leave a thumbs up on this video as well as share this video to all your friends around. And with that said, let's get on with a review of the Creative Outlier Air version 2. So the Outlier Air version 2 was sent over to me by Creative for review, and like always, although they have sent me these earbuds, I'll still be providing my honest opinion so you know what you're getting into before buying these earbuds. So these earbuds retails for about US 119, which translates to about 490 Malaysian ringgit. That seems a little steep, but Creative now has a discount going on, so the V2 is only going for US 69, which is about 300 Malaysian ringgit. So definitely check out the links below while it's going for that price. So everything about the Creative Outlier series of earbuds is really consistent, and I like when a company is consistent with their products, since if it's not broken, don't fix it. So the version 2 inherited the same look as both the original Air as well as the Gold, and the major difference among the three is their color, and the original Air comes in a brownish light color and the Gold obviously comes in gold color, and the Air version 2 here comes in a very nice dark bluish navy blue color, which is really nice. The body of the case is made of the metal-like plastic, like a smooth matte metal finish, which is really nice, but it's mostly plastic. And at the top, you get the Creative branding there, which is super stealthy, which is very hard to see at certain lighting, which is nice. And Creative also ships the Air version 2 with a plastic protector at the bottom here, which is really nice. So you can peel them off if you want, or you can just leave it on so it protects your case. So on one end, you get a Type-C charging port and 3 LED indicator that tells you a bunch of info about your earbuds. The left and right tells you the battery level of the left and right earbuds, and the center one tells you the battery percentage of the case. So red means low battery, yellow means medium battery, and green means battery is high. And at the other end, you get the Super X5 Ready logo, which looks super cool, and that is where you push the cradle out of the case to review the earbuds. So the earbuds of all the Outlier series sits the same way inside the cradle, and all of them have more or less the same shape with different design here and there. So one of the major changes to the Air 2 versus the original Air as well as the Gold is that the Air 2 now comes with a touch sensor instead. So one cool thing you'll still be getting with the earbuds is that super cool ring around the earbuds that pulses in different colors, and if you don't connect them to a device, and all LED action goes away when it's connected to your phone. At the side of the earbuds, you'll still be getting the Creative logo there, which is super cool, and the V2 is designed with a similar contoured shape as the original, but the contacts are now simpler and less complicated. So one major difference that I noticed is that Creative changed up the ear tips of the version 2 and the Gold, and it's now thicker. So the original Air and the Gold had very thin ear tips that many people have complained that it didn't fit them properly. But personally for me, the thinner ones on the Gold was comfortable, and this new upgraded one is also pretty comfortable. So the V2 gets a battery upgrade from the original Air, but Creative still needs to keep their competitive edge with the Outlier Gold. So the V2 now gets 12 hours of continuous playback time, whereas the Air only gets 10 hours, but the Gold gets 14 hours per charge. So the Air version 2 now also gets a total of 34 hours of playback time with the case. So stick it into the case for about 2 hours and you'll be able to get about 2 additional charges from the case. So spec wise, you're not going to get a whole lot of variation from all three of these earbuds, since the the Outlier Air already has very good specs, so they didn't really fix what was not broken. So you'll still be getting the same Bluetooth 5.0 chipset across the entire range, and so you'll get support for aptX, AAC, and SBC no matter which earbuds you buy. So you'll also be getting the same IPX5 water resistant rating across the entire range, so you get good protection from sweat, from rain and water regardless which model you choose. When you connect the earbuds, you have to connect both sides of the earbuds since these earbuds still uses some form of master and slave mode, but Creative puts in a quick swapping technology, so it'll automatically change the master side to the other side depending on which one you have out of the case. Lastly, there are no multi-point connectivity on any of these earbuds. The Creative FX5 app is mainly a music player, and if you have music on your device, here's a good place for you to access them. But there are a couple of tricks inside these earbuds app for you to play around with as well. So when you swipe to the side panel, you'll be getting various types of options here to adjust your app. So you get to browse music, which was where we were earlier on. You get to personalize, which is to map your ears and your head so that it provides you with a personalized music experience. You get to select your earphone selections or headphone selections, and you also get to change your equalizer. And that's basically all of the features you get. So under personalize, you'll be able to start your head mapping, and you get to scan your right ear, your face, and your left ear, and it will personalize the sound of the audio based on that to suit your ears. So I think there's some algorithm going on inside, which is pretty cool. Going down, you get to select your headphone selection. In this case, it detects it automatically and knows that this is the Outlier Air version 2. You also get to play around with your equalizer. So they made it very easy. So while the music is playing, you can just adjust the bass, or you can adjust the treble, so depending on what type of sound signature you like. And if you want to further customize it, you can just pull on any of these bars up here, and it will change it according to your preference. So that's something pretty easy to use. And so basically, from a setting perspective, that's mainly what you get inside the SX-FI app. So the sound quality of the V2 is still pretty nice, very crisp and clear, and it basically gives you a very high quality sound signature across the range, without any frequencies overpowering one another. So the good thing about all three of these earbuds is that they all come with the same 5.6mm graphene coated diaphragm, so you know you're getting high quality drivers regardless which model you get. The bass on these are present, but it's not so strong that it's annoying. I would say they give you just the right amount of bass and nothing crazy. So if you're a heavy bass head, you need to play them past the 60% mark to get some serious bass performance. Clarity on these earbuds are very good, no complaints there. The mids, highs and vocals are all very well controlled, but I noticed that the vocals are not 100% forward, and it's a little bit like 80% forward. So the main thing that shines on these earbuds is still the instruments, which sounds really bright and really nice. So soundstage on these earbuds is also good, and this gives you nice projection, so you'll be able to experience nice instrumental separation on these. One thing to take note is that these earbuds do get loud, but with some songs I noticed that the earbud starts to crack at higher volumes, so I think it's something that is worth pointing out. So this is a test to see if the Creative Outlier Air version 2 is a good earbuds for making phone calls. So this is me speaking in a relatively quiet environment, and this is the call quality that you can expect. So what I'm going to do now is to turn on a simulated background noise so you can hear the difference. So now there's a simulated background noise playing in the background, and this is the call quality that you can expect from these earbuds. So what do you think of the call quality? Let me know in the comment section down below. So the latency performance of the V2 is very 2020, I would say, and gives you the performance of a 2020 Bluetooth 5.0 earbuds. They are pretty good with watching movies and videos, but when it comes to gaming, you do notice some delay, especially with games like PUBG. However, don't get me wrong, with casual gaming, these are still very much playable. Anyways, let's take a look at the latency performance of these earbuds. So the Outlier Air version 2, similar to the Gold that we've looked at before, offers you a full spectrum of controls. So to increase your volume, tap and hold on the right earbuds and it will slowly increase your volume. And to decrease your volume, tap and hold on the left earbuds and it will slowly decrease your volume. To play or pause media or pick a phone call, simply tap twice on either side of the earbuds and it will play or pause your media. And to skip tracks forward, triple tap on the right earbuds, and to skip backwards, triple tap on the left earbuds, and it's super responsive. And lastly, to control your assistant, make sure you pause your media and tap 4 times on either side of the earbuds and it will pull out your assistant. And that's very proper execution of the controls and easy to figure out even without using the manual. So definitely great job there, Creative. So here's my verdict. I think with any of the Outlier series, you're getting a good earbuds, and I think you're paying mainly for the touch sensor and the improved battery life. Really, with all the high quality components Creative gives you with any of these earbuds, I think you'll be happy to know that all 3 of these are really quite awesome. So which one will you get? So that is it for this review. If you find this video helpful, smash that thumbs up button, share this video everywhere, and if you haven't yet subscribed, do consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.